Honey, love it. The complete system. Love it. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you already subscribed to my channel. So today I am in my bathroom because I need my bathroom for this video because I'm going to be trying the complete system from Curlmix. Woo! So Curlmix is a curly hair care brand, and I've only tried their flaxseed gel. For the longest they've had, this flaxseed gel stylers, but now they have a shampoo and a conditioner, including the avocado moisturizer. So now they have a complete 4-step system, and I have it right here. So this is what I'm going to be trying tonight for my wash and go. And it's so lovely because each bottle is labeled step 1, which is the shampoo. Then you have step 2, which is the conditioner. And then you go in with step 3, the avocado moisturizers. And then step 4, and the final step, your styler. So I'm excited to give this a try and give the whole collection a try. And so this is going to be a tutorial slash review slash YouTube first impressions video. So let's get started because this might take a little time, and I want to hurry up and finish before hopefully my baby stays asleep the whole entire time. So keep watching. Very fruity smell, but you can also smell, you can also tell like it's a shampoo, it's a cleanser. It has like, that spearmint type smells. That's what it smells like. And I'm gonna shake it up. Always shake up your products before you use them or go in, so that the formula is nice and mixed around. Don't smack yourself in the face at the bottom. Okay, so let me wet my hair down. Come back and we're gonna shampoo. I'm gonna shampoo, right here on camera. I don't section my hair when I shampoo. I focus on the scalp. When you're shampooing, you want to focus on the scalp. So let's go in. I start in the front, build up that lather, the sides, and I make sure that my scalp when I shampoo is completely covered. Feels really good, fresh, as if it's really picking up all of the product buildup and gunk that my scalp has collected over the days. Okay, I just finished shampooing and my hair feels really clean, but it doesn't feel like hard or really dry like how it feels after some shampoos that I use. Moving right along to step number 2, which is the conditioner. This is the pure grapeseed conditioner, hydrating with ultra slip. We love slip. Like us natural curly girls, we live for slip. Anything that will get through our hair easily and help us detangle, amazing. So let's get into this. The instructions pretty much say condition hair by adding the pure grapeseed conditioner to each section, detangle hair with a comb or brush. Okay, cool. All right, let's get started. has been combed through all four sections and you guys can just see the shine and how my curls are already reacting to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out the conditioner and then move along to step 3. So the conditioner is completely rinsed out. I'm gonna move along to step 3, which is the avocado moisturizer. And this step is for strengthening. It's made with organic castor oil. And the directions say, step 3, on soaking wet hair, which is what I have right now, in a steamy shower. I'm not in a steamy shower, but I'll put a cap on, so. Section hair and apply a nickel size amount of the pure avocado moisturizer per section. Okay, so this is realistic because it said a nickel size, which is probably the amount that I'll use for each section rather than a dime size, which some brands say. So nickel, about that right there, that'll probably do. Okay, so let's get into it. Moisturizer is all throughout my hair. It's combed through. I'm just gonna pull it all together, put a cap on it, and let this penetrate my hair for a few minutes, and then we'll rinse. So I rinsed the avocado moisturizer out, but I did leave like a film of it on. Like I rinsed it, but not thoroughly because something deep inside tells me that this might have been to leave on. The bottle doesn't say to rinse out, and being that it's a moisturizer, I figured, hey, is this like leave-in conditioner? So I only left like a film of the avocado moisturizer on my hair. I'm gonna go in with the flaxseed gel now. Now this is the final step, step 4. Okay, so for step 4, it says apply a nickel-sized amount of pure flaxseed gel. Finger comb your curls to distribute the gel and allow your hair to clump and curl properly. Avoid combs and brushes during this stage. Now this scares me because I swear by a paddle brush or the Tangle Teaser brush to distribute product in my hair, it gives me the most amazing coiled and defined curls. And the first time that I used Curlmix, I did use a brush. My results came out amazing, but I'm gonna follow the steps completely, step by step. So let's see, my finger's about to really go to work. So let's get on to step 4. Gel is all throughout my curls and they're looking good while wet. Because I distributed it with my fingers, my curls don't look as coily as they would if I were to use a brush, but still looking good. So we're gonna let this dry. The directions from here say hands off. don't touch, and I'm guessing that's to eliminate frizz so you get the best results. Now there is a step 5. They're suggesting to blow dry or diffuse curls to properly set hair for a longer lasting style, which I normally diffuse. It really depends on what I'm using. So I'm gonna diffuse because I want the best results. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this dry about 50%. So I'm gonna let it air dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in and diffuse. And then, yeah, more than likely you guys will see my results the next morning. It says after you diffuse, you wear a bonnet, a silk or satin bonnet, which I do every night anyways. So I'm gonna diffuse and then I'll share my results in the morning. One thing I forgot to share with you guys, your product comes with a booklet with the details and tips on how to use each and every one of the products. And I was right about the Pure Avocado Moisturizer. It says here, number 6, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's also a leave-in conditioner. It says all the things that it does, all the ways it helps your hair. So I was right. So I'm glad that I left a little bit of it on. I didn't completely wash it out because it is to be used as a leave-in. Look at that. So this little booklet that tells you each and every single way how to use them. Awesome, Curlmix. Good job, Curlmix. Okay, so I had to share that with you guys. I'm gonna continue to let my hair air dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna diffuse. Again, so yeah, if you guys see, my curls look super good. They look so shiny and like moisturized, just luscious. Okay, I'm gonna separate while it's still like in a pineapple, and then I'll take down. Won't you stop? Pull over, won't you stop? I am more than happy and excited about these results. Let me come in so you guys can see all of the curl definition that is going on here. Oh, if you can feel it, it is really, really soft and bouncy. I wasn't too sure about the conditioner, the avocado moisturizer. My hair felt a little rough, but paired with the flaxseed together, whoa. So congrats to Curlmix on having a complete 4-step system. You guys check them out, curlmix.com. I will leave my discount code below, so if you want to purchase, you will get some money off on your purchase. So thanks for watching.